How was your previous interview? Are you satisfied with your previous interview? Or are you excited for your next interview, which is upcoming? And if you have not given any recent interview and if you have not planned or lined up any interview, are you thinking to give interview in future? If the answer is yes, then stay tuned till the end of the video. आज हम बात करेंगे स्टार टेक्निक की। नाउ व्हाट इज स्टार टेक्निक? स्टार टेक्निक एक ऐसा टेक्निक है जो कि आपको एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करके देता है, विच विल गिव यू अ वेल डिफाइंड प्लेटफॉर्म टू परफॉर्म वेल ड्यूरिंग द इंटरव्यू। नाउ हाउ टू क्रिएट द प्लेटफॉर्म? कुछ नहीं है, बहुत ही सिंपल है। STAR, एस का मतलब होता है सिचुएशन। आपने ऐसा क्या सिचुएशन हैंडल किया है कभी पास्ट में? Which situation you have handled in the past? And T stands for task. उस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने के बाद आपने क्या टास्क परफॉर्म किया? Which task, which activity you have performed, that is stands for T. And now comes A. A for action. Now you have seen the situation, you have performed the task. Now what is action? What is the outcome which is which you are going to get from the previous instance? And the result, what is the result, what is the outcome? So STAR means situation, task, action and result. So आपको फोकस करना है, एक ऐसी स्टोरी आपके पास हो या एक ऐसा पास्ट लाइव प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस आपके पास हो जहां से आपका बिहेवियर अच्छे से पता चल सके, जहां से आप अपने आप को प्रूव कर सको कि आपने पास्ट में कुछ ऐसा चैलेंजिंग काम किया है या नहीं। नाउ आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जांपल। इट वाज 2013. आई वाज वर्किंग विद इन्फोसिस एंड आई वाज हैंडलिंग द प्रोजेक्ट कॉल्ड पेप्सिको। उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ कि इट वाज फ्राइडे, सर्वर क्रैश हो गया। And after the server crash, we have observed there are so many users got affected. They were not even able to log in their platform. Client का जो head था, he started shouting. He called customer care and he started shouting, "I need this solved as soon as possible." They have created P1 incident, and when it comes to P1 incident, you have to resolve within 1 to 2 hours as per the SLA, as per the organization SLA. हम लोगों ने क्या किया? हमारी जो टीम थी, वी वर इन द प्रोडक्शन सपोर्ट टीम एंड एट दैट टाइम आई वाज मैनेजिंग दैट टीम। हमने क्लाइंट को कन्विंस किया। सो व्हाट वाज द सिचुएशन? सर्वर गॉट क्रैश्ड। नाउ व्हाट इज टास्क? वी हैव ट्राइड टू कन्विंस द क्लाइंट to reduce the incident from P1 to P3. Why? Because we needed more time, and at that time I have personally taken the ownership, or my team has personally taken the ownership, so that we can solve this issue as soon as possible. So now situation is done, task is done. Now what is action? We have collectively combined all the team member and started working on that particular incident. That is action. STA. Now what is result? Within 6 hours of time, we were able to complete migrate that server from one instance to another instance, and the issue got resolved. Why we needed 6 hours? Because it will take time, and we have convinced the client to reduce the incident from P1 to P3. P3 incident SLA at that time was 8 hours. So STAR. Now, if you have to give the answer, you have to prove yourself, you have to give situation-based behavior question during the interview, follow the technique STAR. STAR. I'll give you some basic tips, some common question which you can handle with the help of STAR technique. So stay tuned in my next video, which will be getting uploaded soon. You just have to focus on STAR technique. And why STAR is important? रिक्रूटर को पता चलता है कि आपके अंदर की कैपेबिलिटी क्या है, व्हाट इज योर कैलिबर। उनको पता चलता है, रिक्रूटर्स को पता चल जाता है कि आपका बिहेवियर कैसा है। दैट इज व्हाई स्टार टेक्निक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस। नाउ हाउ यू विल गेट द इंटरव्यू कॉल? You will get the interview call only when you have the good resume. And after studying so many students, मतलब मैंने उनसे 1-to-1 बात करी, almost 500,000 people, and मैंने एक पैटर्न डिसाइड किया। पैटर्न देखने को मिला मुझे कि people were not able to create resume, they were just doing copy paste. So what I have done, I have created an amazing template. The link is below in the description. You can download that template, create your amazing resume, and you can share it with me for the review. I would love to help you. Thank you so much, guys. Keep learning, keep signing. Don't forget to watch out next video, star-based interview samples. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep signing. All the best.